Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I will share with the app, Android app, and the name of the app is COVID-19. Well, I will share all the features of this app. Before going to discuss, I would request you please subscribe our channel and please press on the bell icon so you can get all the informative videos. Well, let's discuss one by one about this app. You can see there is a basic information about the COVID-19. Then there is a tab, Radius Alert, which is a very informative, by the way. When you click it, you will find in which area, either your area is a safe zone or is a red zone. If you will find the number of affected person in your area, then it will highlight as a red zone. Right now I'm sitting in Rawalpindi in a New Lalazar. It is showing that you are in a safe zone. I will share the link of this app as well so you can download easily. Well, there are some other features as well. You can see even if you zoom in or zoom out, you will find all the infected people in Pakistan. So this is a very informative, by the way, information. Well, and if you similarly discuss some other things like Radius Alert, they have also given you the Radius Alert COVID-19 assessment, and the quality of the COVID-19 assessments, if you just put your all the information like your gender, your age, and it will answer you either you are infected with the COVID-19. This is just idea, but in case you're having a more symptoms, definitely that it will indicate that you have to contact this number, or you can contact to the online doctor as well. So this is also the second feature. Let's discuss about the third feature, that is a wash hands. And in this feature you can just highlight or switch on the alert, and it will automatically give you the notification then when and which time you have to wash your hands. And let's discuss about the other feature with the Corona chatbot. In this you can contact with the doctors even in your area. So if you are having more symptoms or serious symptoms, you would have an idea either you are infected or not. The last one is the awareness video. When you will click, you will get a lot of videos regarding to the COVID-19. So I think so this is a very interesting app and you must install it, because before going to anywhere you will have some information, either the area wherever you're going, either it is infected, either it is a red zone or a green zone. So I think it's a good initiative which is taken by the government, and we must appreciate, and we must also share this app with others so people have maximum idea and they can utilize this app when they are going outside. So thank you so much. Last but not the least is please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so you can get all the videos. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.